Hi guys, my name is Kayla,
This is Justin.
and today we're doing a Christmas mukbang. Okay, so let's get started.
Ooh, let's do some chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
We're gonna open the sauce real quick.
Yeah. You want to try it, right?
Yes. Okay. Do a little bit of chewing for y'all. Hmm. Some sweet and sour. So today, we're also gonna be trying
The
the cheesy bacon
fries.
fries. I've never had these yet. All right.
Try these bitches. Whoa.
Mmm.
This is what it looks like.
Ooh, yum.
Alright, let's dig in. Bacon's good on spot.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
You hold it real quick.
Sorry, y'all, I'm really thirsty.
Hmm. Oh, yeah, we had burgers
We're gonna
too.
be going in our burgers.
Mhm.
What did you get?
I got the double quarter pounder with cheese.
Then I got a Big Mac. I want a Big Mac.
Yes.
Should tie my head for this.
Alright, let's do it at the same time.
Cheers.
Yes.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Anyways, are you ready for the presents? So we both got each other something for Christmas. We're doing a little early Christmas opening. You want to go first, or
You go first.
Okay.
I'm excited for you, honey.
And I'm scared.
Just
To
record
be
it.
honest. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. I think I
Alright.
should get up for this.
Oh Lord.
I think it goes that way. You gotta turn it.
Like,
So this goes over here.
okay.
Careful.
Oh, nice. A distance away, but friends will stay. Oh my God. Sac to Provo. I wish I could turn this so you guys could see
Honey,
it.
you didn't even open this.
I'm sorry. I wanted to show them. Well, let me show them this first. Oh, look how cute this is. Like, hello. And then from Sac to Provo, because I live in Provo.
God.
Okay.
I'm gonna flip the sides.
I love you, bitch. I ain't ever gonna stop loving you, bitch. Bad bitch. Yeah.
California to Utah.
Oh my God, that's so cute. There's a little like, wow, this took forever to make, didn't it?
It kind of did, yeah.
Oh my God. There's so much food in this. Holy crap. Hey ho, enjoy these ho's. Yes. You like wear this?
Yes.
Oh my
Own
goodness.
it.
Yes. Let me put it right there. Ho-hos.
Kahia ho-ho.
Yes. Pringles. Ooh, I've never had the barbecue flavor. She got my favorite.
Right.
The glacial cherries, my new
Zero
favorite.
calories.
Yes, wait, 0 calories, you know. 0. I know. Chips Ahoy, hello. My favorite growing up. She just said treat yourself, you know. Twix, left and right, because we do not
Discriminate.
discriminate, you know, no segregation. It's almost 2019, people.
Literally.
Okay.
Still act
Come on, I know. Okay. Oh, a little spa. Look at this pineapple. That's so
Bath
cute.
bomb.
Oh my gosh. Vanilla and cocoa nuts. Oh. Ooh, okay, let's see. Skittles. Oh,
Taste the rainbow.
yes. Let's see. Nutella too.
God.
I've actually never had these.
They didn't have Nutella at the store.
Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. Oh wait, things go off.
In case if you ever get
Be
sick.
careful of germs, of course. I'm trying not to get sick in Utah,
Yes,
but
yes.
these are helpful. Soap for my crusty ass.
How'd you know? I wrote you a note.
Oh, this ass. Crustier than the Krusty Krab. Lotion? Yes, I need body lotion. Oh, and it comes with body wash and shampoo. Look how musty I am. I was not ready.
Mug I got you.
Oh, wait.
There's a mug up in there.
Oh.
Little food erasers.
Oh my God. Oh, it's all wrapped in the thing. Oh, I meow you.
I meow
It's so cute. Alright, put that with little erasers. Hot chocolate, yes. Oh. And last but not least, my favorite. Ooh, she knew my favorite, just how I like it. White I've actually never had this flavor.
Okay, you've been missing out. I don't
Baked
know.
snack crackers. Oh my God.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Thank you for all these. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a heart attack from all these.
Yeah, if you die, I'm sorry. Sorry, that was more for me than you guys. Okay. Let's open this.
Oh Lord, I did a horrible job with this.
It's okay. Oh my god, I'm scared. Is this working out? No, you didn't! No way!
I hope I got a good.
Is this gonna fit me?
I know.
I think this fits my head. No way. Wait, why is it ripped?
Oh my god, is it? No, wait, no, it's not.
No.
Is it?
I don't know.
Oh my god, it better not be. I think you have to.
Is it like
You just have to put your
self in?
Yeah.
Oh. And it comes with a little mask.
Princess.
I love it.
You need a good night's rest.
Honestly. I hope it's not ripped.
Yeah, I don't think it's ripped.
Okay, how this gonna fit my legs?
Mm-hmm.
We gotta return this. We gotta return this. Honey. Okay, let me demonstrate.
Ooh, okay.
My foot can't even go in! It's okay. I like it. Hi. I love it though. It's okay. Merry Christmas!
What the fuck?
Okay, we're gonna continue eating.
Yes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna get better at this.
Yes. Sorry.
Wait. Which one's
Sorry.
mine?
Oh shit. I think this one.
Okay.
Wait, just try it. Let's see. This is mine.
More food on top of little desserts. Oh my god. We're not gonna make it to New Year's.
I know. It's probably the last video you guys will see of us.
Healthy. Because, nothing I do is healthy.
I'm gonna take a last bite of my burger. It's gonna be a one biter. So, we finished the mukbang. Well,
Yeah.
as you can see, we still have a lot of food
Pretend like
left.
it's not here.
Yeah. Just throw the whole shit away. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like,
Comment
share,
and
subscribe.